air conditioning and heating unit getting lifted onto the roof on a very foggy October morning. What a handsome devil. 1 of 10 getting dropped onto the roof this morning. Hey little boy, what'd you think of that crane?
I saw it pick it up and put it on the roof.
You saw it pick it up and put it on the roof?
Yeah.
That's terribly exciting.
Mom.
What do you think, little girl?
Mom.
Pretty cool, huh? Breakfast. Okay, here we are. Last day of the roofing project. Should be done by tomorrow. Got the truck up there in the corner. Guys removing the old roof, putting down the new one. Here we have our sign. Thanks to the donors who made it happen.